everyone. We kids should learn to be well groomed, especially this pandemic. That's why today I'm going to demonstrate some hygiene habits. Our hands are the body parts most exposed to germs. That is why washing them is very important. Let me show you how. First, wet your hands with running water. Second, put soap. Make sure to have enough and scrub and rub. You can also sing happy birthday twice. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Then rinse all the soap with running water. Make sure to thoroughly rinse your hands with running water to remove all suds. And lastly, wipe your hands with a dry and clean towel. Make sure your hands will be nice and dry. Part of keeping the hands healthy is cutting our nails. Do this once a week. Here is how to do it correctly. Brushing your teeth keeps your teeth and gums cavity and infection free. This is how you should do it. First, gargle with water. Then, put a pea-sized toothpaste to your toothbrush. To brush side to side, up and down, and your tongue as well. Then, spit out all the toothpaste in your mouth. Then, gargle with water. After brushing, make sure to wash your toothbrush as well. Another important hygiene habit is combing your hair. Combing your hair makes your hair healthy and more presentable. Here is how to do it. First, start combing the lower part of your hair strands. Till you get to the top. As you reach the top, part it wherever you want it. And there you have it. You'll be as